Hi there. I am representing WebTrackOfficial.org. We provide all sorts of digital marketing solutions like web designing, social media integration, search engine optimization, graphic designing and logo designing. So if you want any services from us, contact us at support@webtrackofficial.org. In this video I'll show you how to purchase hosting and a domain name for your WordPress website. I'll show you how to connect your domain to your hosting, as well as how to set up your business email and install WordPress to develop your website. It'll be a lot of fun, so be sure to watch my video all the way through and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get started. I am going to be using HostGator services for this, because HostGator is a leading provider of secure and affordable web hosting. So we're going to be using a shared hosting for our basic website. So to purchase, hover on Hosting, and click Shared Hosting. The nicest thing about them is that they include unlimited bandwidth with all of their plans, as well as a free domain name with any of their hosting packages. As a result, it is extremely convenient for everyone. I am going to continue with their hatchling plan, so let's buy it. Here you need to search for your domain name that you want to connect to your hosting. But if you already have a domain, you can add it here. Let's search for the domain. Here you can see, the domain is available and like I said, it's free for 1 year. Oh! And one more thing, you don't have to purchase separate SSL for your domain. It's already added with every plan, so you can uncheck this box. I am going to change the billing cycle to 12 months, but if you want to keep it to 36 months, that's on you. Now on the third step, you need to create your HostGator account. I already have one. So I am gonna log in real quick. My account is now logged in and my credit card is already added. So let's go to the final step. These are some of the extra services that HostGator offers. If you want, you can add up to your hosting account, otherwise it's not a problem at all. I am gonna uncheck them all. For first year, we're getting a $90 discount, which is pretty amazing. Now lastly, just agree to their terms and conditions by simply checking the box. Now click Checkout now and we're done with the purchasing. Once the hosting and domain is purchased, it'll appear in a list form like this. Now to create a business email, go to the cPanel. Now go to Email Accounts. From here, click Create button. Create a username that is followed by your domain name like, example@yourdomainname.com. Now click Generate to generate a nice strong password for your email. Click Edit Settings. Here click Unlimited for storage space, so you don't face any issue while sending and receiving emails. Now just click on Create and your business email is ready to go. Now to log in order to check your emails, you need to go to your webmail, which you can access by entering yourdomainname.com/webmail. From your cPanel, locate WordPress Manager. Now click Install. Here you can see, domain is already added. From here you can choose the version of WordPress that you want to install. Create your WordPress login credentials now. In the admin email, enter the business email that we just created. Now under Site Settings, enter in your site name and description. You can always change that later on. Now just scroll down and click Install. The WordPress installation will start, and it may take few minutes, so in the meantime, subscribe to my channel. Here you can see, the installation is successful and you can visit your dashboard to start building your website. If you want to know how you can create a full impressive website for free, you can check out my video here. If this video helped you in any way, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you later, alligator.